Hello. So I'm coming back to do a recipe for my Greek salad that I do. So you're going to need some block feta cheese like this, or you can get one that's not in oil, a pepper, organic pepper, some olives, cherry tomatoes, and a cucumber. I think this is a hot house cucumber. And then a purple or red onion. You need olive oil, which I got. A splash of red wine vinegar. Oregano or Italian seasoning. I have Italian. I don't have oregano. Shocking, because I use a lot of the other sea salt. Pepper. So basically you just cut up your ingredients and put them in a bowl. So I'll be back. I just want to show y'all what the block feta looks like. So it's like in the shape of a triangle, and you just cut it up. You just cut it up into small pieces. I'm just making this for me, so I don't have to make a large salad. So I just wanted to show y'all that. So I got all my ingredients in here. I just didn't put my onion in. If you want to take a little bit of the bite out of the onion, you put it in some cold water, or put it in water and then put it into the freezer to take some, because red onions have a really strong taste to it. I actually don't like it, but putting it in some water and then putting it into the freezer actually did good. So now you're going to do just a splash, not a whole lot of the vinegar. That's all I did of that. Now my salt. You're going to salt it to your taste. My pepper. And I do want to tell you, if you can afford it, buy good ingredients and seasonings and herbs and stuff. Try to get organic if you can, as well as peppers. This is an organic pepper. And then your extra virgin olive oil. And then I'll add my onion to this later. And what else I do? I'm gonna let my onion sit in there a little while longer. This is a lazy man's way of mixing everything up. And I'm gonna just put this in the refrigerator. So here's my Greek salad. If you want to add meat to it, you can do that too. And if you can't find the block feta cheese, just get crumbled, because you can find crumbled anywhere. These are the cherry tomatoes that I use. So, you know, just buy what you can find. And it calls for these little red olives, but you know, I just got these because I like both olives, so it tastes good in there. So that is how you make Greek salad. Pretty simple and easy and quick. So enjoy your rest of your day. It's Thursday going into Friday. The week flew by really quick. Peace. Hey, y'all. So I decided to try this banana tea that Ben Azadi had been talking about. He said it helps you to sleep better, and I put some cinnamon in it. Basically what I did was I cut the ends off of the banana, and then I just put it in some water and let it boil for a couple of minutes. I let it boil. I had a mask on my face, so I went in, washed the mask off my face, and finished my face care for the night. Went downstairs, and it was boiling. I could smell the banana, and you can still smell the banana in the water. You don't use any of the banana parts. You just want the nutrition from the peel. And then you could take I took my banana and put it in the freezer because it hadn't split apart or anything. It was just soft from being in boiling water. So I could use that for my smoothies. But then I put, like, I don't know, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, if that, maybe less. I did put some of my Boca sweetener in here. And it smells just like banana. It smells good, and it tastes good too. And it kind of tastes like a banana. Let's see if it helped me to sleep well. So again, it's really easy. You just get you a banana. You cut the ends off of it. Get you a big enough pot if you got big bananas. Just put the whole banana in there, or you can cut it up and put it in there whole, but don't take the banana out the peel. Drop it in your pot with some water. Let water cover it. A little bit of cinnamon. I will let the cinnamon cook in the water. I dump mine in afterwards. And just let it boil for, let's say, 5-10 minutes. And then you should be able to take it out and you'll smell the banana on the water. So, quick, easy tea that tastes really good. And they say the banana gives you potassium, and it also helps you to sleep. Let me see. So banana has potassium and magnesium, which are natural muscle relaxers. In fact, magnesium is the most important mineral for muscle relaxation and can reduce muscle cramps along with aches and pains. And I do still put bananas in my smoothie. I just put like maybe 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces of bananas in my smoothie. They says that cinnamon can balance the blood sugar levels, which in turn regulate your hormones, therefore allows for a better sleep. So that's what the cinnamon is for. And yeah, you let them cook down for about 10 minutes or so, and it should be good to go. So banana tea, and I didn't have any clumps or anything out, but you can strain it if you want to, but I didn't have any banana pieces that fell out of mine, not that I saw it anyway. So peace. Hope you try this recipe. Happy Sunday.